Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Now, what in the world? I had been seeing these like weird kind of, I don't want to call them felt, but these weird kind of soft birds around. But check this out. Look at this apple. That is so cute to me. So they have it in the red, and then they have it in this really, really pretty kind of neon green Granny Smith apple kind of color. I love that. And those are about $1.25. Very, very nice. Again, I had been seeing these all over the place, but these, that's my first time seeing them. Now, I think we've seen all of the different kind of kits. You guys know I keep pointing them out, but just in case, since I was over here, I was going to kind of go through and see if I had any ones that I had not seen before. So I think we saw the cactus and the donut one, but I'm not sure if we saw this cute bumblebee one. So again, every time I see one of these kits, I'm just letting you guys know about them. Apparently there's everything that you need inside of here to create that cute little bumblebee. And again, I love these kits. Now these are $1.25. Great activity sets for the summertime, for the kids, and also for the adults. So cute, you guys. Again, they have all these kind of nostalgic little finds that I'm seeing in here. So in the car section, they have a 2-pack of car scents, but this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle themed. And you get 2 car incense in there, if you guys can see it, and the string that dangles down from the rear view mirror, and then mint scented. It's a 2-pack also of the SpongeBob SquarePants ones. I love that. And then let me see if I can get you up without making you dizzy. A 2-pack of Garfield. And the Garfield is cookie scented. That's crazy. I freaking love that. I don't know if you guys remember Garfield. Put in the comments if you do. Just so you guys know, the SpongeBob SquarePants are ocean scented. Interesting. I also think this is really cool. Look at that. It is a guitar, which I guess has an air freshener component to it. Very, very cool. Very cool. And then last but not least, I see the Smurfs. So again, a lot of nostalgia, you guys. And this is vanilla scented. There's Smurfette. Love that. I love that they're coming out with so many cool things like that. Oh my goodness. And a whole nother section. Check this out. The Simpsons. You remember Duff beer from The Simpsons? Well, they've got a 3-pack, okay, of car air fresheners here. And these are at $4 instead of the $1.25. Now, I don't know why I would pay that if I could get the other ones for $1.25. Guess what else I'm seeing? What's that, Bart? So the 3-pack of Bart Simpson air fresheners as well, I'm guessing, are also $4. Interesting. These are kind of cool though. Look at that. Are those like wood? They almost look like wood, you guys. You know, me as a DIYer, I'm always looking at things not for what they are, but for what I can make them. And I think that's kind of cool. It's kind of got a cutout. And I'm just trying to figure out, it says a hanging wood air freshener. Interesting. So it is wood. Nice, but that is $4, which makes it a little bit out of my league. Okay, guys, I always like to see if they've got anything kind of new in this Winner's Circle is kind of the brand that they're using for their kind of automotive stuff. We've seen the vacuum, the kind of storage caddy, the steering wheel tray, and stuff like that. But what's up with this? LED cup holder lights. That's pretty dang cool. Oh, I see what they're doing there because the light is kind of lighting up the bottle. I love that. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so it's kind of like a little disc that goes in, and then it has kind of a light ring around it. Very cute. And these are going to be $5 a piece. Love that. I just wanted to point these out again because they've come up with some new ones since the last time I showed up. But just so you guys know, these are those earbuds. Is that not the cutest thing you have ever seen? So these ones are Mountain Dew themed. I think we saw the Dorito ones. And then I think we might have seen the Reese's peanut butter cup ones. But what I did not see before was this Kraft mac and cheese. Those are so cool. I love these because, you know, it's nice to have just like a backup pair for when you're traveling or something. Maybe you're not traveling with your most expensive set, especially if you got kids or something like that. But these would just be so cute to kind of just pick up and just leave so that you have them in case you need them, right? I love these. So do you guys remember when we did the fountain and I used some black kind of rubberized seal to waterproof for me? Now that was from Gorilla Glue, but check this out. I'm seeing this in the Dollar Tree now. I think it's my first time seeing it. It's a rubberized sealer, seals leaks, and it is in black. And it looks like this can that is 6 ounces is $7. Now the price feels a little bit spicy to me, and I guess they do have it in clear too. But just letting you guys know that you could get something similar to what I was using here in the Dollar Tree. Oh, check this out. I love when I see stuff like this because as a crafter, you know, we're always needing towels and things like, oh, they've got the little feel me. Of course, I'm going to stick my finger in there because that's who I am. But this is a 5-pack of basically almost 12 by 12 microfiber cloths. Now, obviously, it's in the automotive section, probably used to dry off cars, but ultimately good for any sort of household usage. And I think it's over here at the $1.50. It's kind of hard to tell when I'm in this section what things are priced at, but 5 towels for $1.50 is still a dang good deal. And yeah, they feel like they're pretty good. I like that. I like that. Let me know if you guys have seen these, and let me know if they actually are absorbent, because that's key, right? These are so dang cute to me. Look at these USB cables. That is so cute. Again, they've got so many kind of cool novelty kind of electronics. I like to refer to this stuff as soft electronics, like cords and stuff. But that is so cute with the little flower there. And then I saw this one with the guitar. Very cute. Oh, look, let's see if we can find something else. Oh, is that like a little koala bear? Too cute. Is that on everything? Trying to see if I've seen. So, oh, I see it. One more. Let's see what that one is. Oh, cool. With like the baseball. Super cute idea. But yeah, they definitely have a lot of these kind of novelty, like I said, kind of novelty soft electronics, like obviously the headphones that we already just looked at. But yeah, definitely check over here if you're looking for something kind of a cutesy kind of gift to give, maybe even in a gift basket or something like that. Check this out, you guys. I don't know if I've seen this before. Tell me if you guys have, but I think this is washi tape. Yeah, okay. So I'm looking at these washi tape sets. And again, I've seen a lot of people do a lot of different crafts with this. Oh, this is like a 3-piece set. Oh, I like the one with the kind of the citrus fruits up there. That's kind of cute. And I'm just looking at just some random different ones that they have. Let me know if you've got different ones at your store. And it looks like this one's a 3-piece too, but some different sizes and stuff. Really, really nice. And these are just at the $1.25. So if you are somebody who does washi tape crafts, make sure you keep an eye out for those. Check these vases out, you guys. What in the world? So I don't think I've ever seen this style or size before. It's much larger than some of those smaller ceramic vases, and it is $5. It's this beautiful kind of pale salmon color that I think is really cool. And then this, interesting. And again, this is kind of over in the floral section, at least at the store that I'm in right now. This one's also $5, really good size. Love that. I see something else, and I just kind of want to check it to make sure it's what I think it is. Oh no. For whatever reason, you guys, tell me if like when you just looked at this, didn't you think that these were together? I thought this was like a vase, like entirety together. I didn't realize that it was separate pieces. That kind of threw me off a little bit. Let me know if you got thrown off too. Check this out, you guys. Look at these bags. I had to say it like that because stop every last piece of that. So these are just $1.25. Now, first off, just look at the size. Just look at the size. If we were just using this, I'm sorry, $1.50. I stand corrected. Now, just look at the size. Just if you were using it as kind of a reusable, wipe downable bag, that's pretty. You know, it's pretty just as a bag. But imagine the DIY potential because the sheer amount of material that you're getting. And this print is so beautiful and so very summer. Now I see something else. Let me get down and, okay. Stop it. Stop it. Come back through and stop it again. Look at the quality on this bag. The size, again, you guys. I'm thinking about how many DIYs, because it's front to back, that you can make with this material. And again, it's that kind of nice wipe downable material, easy to cut, easy to work with. But these two prints right here, absolutely beautiful. Let me know if you guys have seen those in your store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.